Welcome to your Vanguard ULTILoader operating guide, covering the correct setup and safe operation of the ULTILoader. To release the unit, unlatch the toggle handles using the pull-down hook. Then pull the loader out gently from the dedicated bar using the hook until it reaches the stop. Do not operate by hand or violently pull the unit into its extended position. And keep others clear of the work zone and loader while in use. Lower the unit in a controlled manner. Do not force it to operate at an increased speed. It's built to operate at a steady, consistent pace for your safety. Please lower and lift the unit via the dedicated handle and not via the toggle handles. Press the release button to undo the top and bottom securing straps, removing the straps from their storage positions. It's now time to load the ladder. Place the ladder on the floor behind the unit. Tilt the ladder until it rests on the top bar between the load stops, and then lift so the second rung sits on the ladder rest. To secure the ladder to the unit, tighten the top and bottom securing straps over the rungs as shown. Your ladders are now securely fastened to the unit. For additional security, you can use a lockable ladder clamp on the unit. Slide the ladder clamp hook through the dedicated hole in the top strap bracket and tighten until secure. Do not over-tighten. Check the ladder is secure with no excess movement. You are now ready to close the unit. Using the hook on the handle, lift the bottom of the unit up slowly until it's parallel to the roof. Push the loader in until both toggle handles click and engage into the locked position. To prevent unauthorized operation of the unit, a padlock can be used. Only place this in the designated hole to avoid damage. Finally, check the loader is securely fastened before driving the vehicle. Your ULTILoader training is now complete. For more help or replacement parts, visit van-guard.co.uk or get in touch with our support team.